my mum.
Hi.
We're on the train and the train's just moving. We're on the way to the zoo. I'm not going to say what zoo it is because I'm not allowed to. We're on the way to the zoo and oh, there's a big trampoline. I just look at everybody's gorgeous. Mum, would you like to make a speech?
No. Thanks. It's okay. I'm tired. We're not that out of bed.
We got up at, well, like my alarm went off at 5 o'clock. And then I woke up, my mum came into me waking me up at 35 past 5. Because I missed the alarm. Like, I woke up at the alarm and I was like, I'm just going to lie down for another minute. And I woke up and then 35 minutes after is when I woke up. So yeah. Back in a minute. Okay, so guys, yeah, that's what happened. So we left the house at 6:30 and it's 7:15 now. That's when the train was meant to leave. We were here for the last time. And I decided to do a YouTube video. I might do a YouTube video at the zoo if there is Wi-Fi. And huh?
You're out in the open.
There might. So guys, there might be Wi-Fi, hopefully. If not, I'll still make a normal video, but then I can post that.
Is a no smoking service. Please ensure that your luggage is properly stored and does not obstruct passageways. Thank you for your attention and have a pleasant and comfortable journey. Please do not put your feet on the seat.
No.
Oh, okay.
There's no way. Okay, so it's come past a lot of broken branches and trees. Like it looks. What is? Huh?
Show them.
We're just moving and moving and moving. There's not like. Oh, you can probably see the top of it right there. Not really much interesting stuff when we're passing. I like when it's moving stuff because I don't know when I. I'm not tired. It's 20 times. Okay, maybe I. So I'm excited for the zoo, but not really excited. Like I am, but I don't know. I don't know. See what it's gonna be like. If it's gonna be that fun, because after 24/7 it's not that fun. I am kind of. But to say I'm more excited to go where to Starbucks or something. I'm doing video at Starbucks if there's not one there, because I'd be embarrassed. Yeah. It's very quiet. So there's a few people in the train there. That's my brother. That's my brother, and he just. That's my brother, and he's just looking at me. Okay, you get to see my brother. So he's just looking at me, saying hello. Yeah. I did the same thing. one. And I have to think.
I know, I wake up. What do you want to?
Okay, I was about to say English. Oh, nice. Nice. That just truck is like nice. Bye. 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 Oh, okay. Bye guys, thanks for watching this video. We have to leave now because it's gonna see our location any minute. Any minute our location's gonna come up, so we can't really say that. The next video will either be
What's the coffee leak in the train?
the next video will probably be at the zoo or somewhere. So bye guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and you say
Give her a like. She's the best.
no. Oh yeah.
Have a nice day now.
Sorry.